Good morning, children. Today we are going to do Unit 3, a new poem. The poem name is One Little Kitten. One Little Kitten. Wow, it is a poem of animals, I think. So, yes. In the picture, what do we find? We find different types of animals. This poem is of different types of animals. There are so many animals. We can see elephant over here, we can see horse over here, we can see over here eels are there, lizards are there, alligators are there, donkeys are there, bees are there, butterflies are there, so many beautiful, and fish is there. Yes, so many beautiful animals are there. Oh wow, it's a big whale also is there. So shall we start with the poem, children? Okay. One little kitten. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies. Now over here it is looking at the animals and the numbers are given. So first is what? One little kitten. Then there are how many cats? Two big cats. Three baby butterflies. See over here there are three baby butterflies. Five fat fishes. Wow, how many fishes are there? Five. And they are what? They are fat also. Okay. Six sad seals. Seals are what? Sad. And they are how many? Six. Seven silly seagulls. Seven silly seagulls. Eight happy eels. Eight happy eels. Nine nervous lizard. How many lizards are there? Nine. How many lizards are there? Nine lizards. 10 brave bees. How many bees are there? 10 brave bees. 11 smelly elephants. How many? See, we can see so many elephants are peeping over here and there. There are how many? There are 7. 11 smelly elephants. How many elephants are there? 11 smelly elephants. 12 fat fleas. 12 fat fleas. 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. But natural, if donkeys are there, so tails should be there. So how many tails are there? 15. So shall we read all together the full poem once again? Okay, children. One little kitten. One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails. Wow, in this poem you have learned numbers also 1 to 15. See, number names also 1 to 15 it has come in this poem. And you have learned different types of animals. Water animals also there, forest animals also are there. Each and every animals, and you have learned insects also, water animals also, even numbers 1 to 15 with the number names you have learned with the spellings. Now we'll go to the new words. C-A-T cat, F-A-T fat, R-A-T rat, S-A-D said, T-E-N 10. Again we will read C-A-T cat, F-A-T fat, R-A-T rat, S-A-D said, T-E-N 10. Let's read. A fat cat saw a rat. A fat cat saw a rat. So dear children, we have learned the poem over here of one little kitten, but here we have seen how many number names from 1 to 15 are there, plus different types of animals are there, forest animals, wild animals, insects, plus water animals also are there. So this poem is beautiful with different style. So now children will go to the new words and question answer part. Thank you. After the explanation of the poem One Little Kitten, now we will go to new words. We will do new words. Number 1, Little. 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 Kitten, kitten. Baby. Butterflies, butterflies. Seal. Sad. Silly. Seagulls. Nervous. Lizard. Brave. Fleas. Alligator. Whale. Donkey. Tail. Bees. Now we'll read all the new words together, children. Little, kitten, baby, butterflies, seal, sad, silly, seagulls, nervous, lizard, brave, fleas, alligator, whale, donkey, tail, bees. Now we'll go to the question answer. Answer the following. HOW, how. MANY, many. KIND, kind. Kinds. Of. CREATURES, creatures. ARERTHERE, there. How many kinds of creatures are there? So we'll write the answer. Answer 1, THERE, there. ARERFIFTEEN, 15. KINDS, kinds. Of. CREATURE, creature. DISCUSSED, discussed. INTHE, the. POEM, poem. There are 15 kinds of creature discussed in the poem. What is said? We had learned 15 kinds of creatures. So in the poem, how many kinds of creature did we find? We discussed 15. We discussed 15 kinds of creatures. Question 2. ARER, THE, the. SEALS, seals. HAPPY, happy. Are the seals happy? No, seals are not happy. No, seals are not happy. Third question. WHERE, where. DO, THE, the. FISH, fish. LIVE, live. Where do the fish live? THE, the. FISH, fish. LIVE, live. INN. THE, the. WATER, water. The fish live in the water. Where do the fish live? The fish live in the water. Now we'll read all the question answer once again. How many kinds of creatures are there? There are 15 kinds of creatures discussed in the poem. Are the seals happy? No, seals are not happy. Where do the fish live? The fish live in the water. Okay, the fourth question is what? What are the other things found in water? What do we find other things in the water? The other things found in water are plants, herbs, pearls, shells, etc. What do we find in the water? Plants, right? In the water, plants are also there. Herbs are also there. Pearls, moti we say. and shells we find in the water. So now we'll go to the another exercise. Fill in the blanks. Now here you can see missing letters are there, fill in the blanks are there. Here in middle you have to write the word which is missing. B dash G, C dash T, H dash N dash N T, P dash N, C dash P, F dash X, T dash N dash X E. Now here we have to write in middle what is missing, which letter is missing. Now first is what? B dash G. So what we'll write over here? We are going to write over here A. What we are going to write over here? A. A we are going to write. After A, so it becomes BAG, bag. Then CAT, cat. CAT, cat. We can write COT, cot also. So it will be COT, cot. COT, cot. HEN, hen. What will write? HEN, hen. ANT, ant. PEN, pen. CAP, cat. FOX, fox. TIN, teen. AXE, X. So we will read all the words together. BAG, bag. COT, cot. HEN, hen. ANT, ant. PEN, pen. CAP, cat. FOX, fox. TIN, teen. AXE, X. AXE, X. Dear children, complete this exercise in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you. Okay, now the fourth question. What are the other things found in water? पानी में हमें और क्या चीज़ दिखाई देता है? The other things found in water are plants, herbs, pearls, shells, etc. What do we find in water? The other thing we find in water, we found plants, herbs, pearls, shells. All these things we found in water. Now another exercise is fill in the blanks. What is the next exercise? Fill in the blanks. BAG, bag. COT, cot. HEN, hen. Over here I have written B blank G. I have written A over here, so it becomes bag. C dash T, so COT, cot. H dash hen, HEN, hen. Dash and T, so it becomes ant, ANT, ant. P dash N, so PEN, pen. C dash P, CAP, cap. F dash X, FOX, fox. T dash N, TIN, tin. Dash XE, AXE, X. So dear children, you have to complete this work in your notebook with neat and good handwriting. Thank you.